making 60, whatever thousand. So I'm asking, how much are they making now?
You guys are on my channel right now.
Oh shit, we're on this video.
Chillin', bud. That's my best friend Jesse. Chillin'.
What's up? What's up? Hello, YouTube.
Yo, that's crazy. What's up, guys? Adam here, and we are at one of the craziest car meets that I've been to in a long time. It's literally been non-stop cars all the way through. There's traffic like crazy, and there's cops everywhere. If you can see behind me. Where are you guys? Woo! Oh, you guys come here. Pull in. Elliot's coming here too. Yeah. All right. So my friends are coming. Yeah, sorry guys, I haven't posted a video in a minute. It's been kind of hard to do that with, you know, working and doing everything else. We have some cars coming in right now.
We should wait here until like most of the crowd goes, because it'll be very hard to get out.
What's the situation right now?
The situation is we're at fucking Shake Shack car community meet. It's fucking huge. Too many cars here.
Fucking Rudnick.
From fucking Haggard Garage is here or some shit.
Rudnick's here already?
Yeah.
Where is he?
I don't know, but your friend said it.
We're getting pulled over right now because of my turning signal and my brake light. So, how you guys feeling? I'm here with Devin.
What's up, guys?
It's not focused.
Fight him.
No, he was waiting.
Okay, so you know the one for the brake light that's here, okay, is correctable, okay? What's going to happen is if by the end of the next business day, meaning Monday, you go ahead and get this driver's side brake light fixed, fill out the certificate of correction that I printed out already here for you, okay? Mail it in, it goes away. Any police officer in the state of New York can attest to it. If you fix it yourself and you have proof of the receipts and everything, you can attest to it, or you can have a repair shop attest to it, okay? Like I said, Jay, make sure you have your lights on and all that other stuff, all right?
Yeah,
Drive
sorry
safe,
about that. Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem. Take care, guys.
All right, you too.
Let me see the tickets.
It is literally insane right now. It's absolutely crazy. This is my first time trying to vlog with the Sigma lens. I usually just use it for cinematic shots, but I'm gonna try and go ahead and use my arm a little bit better so I can go ahead and get some doper shots. So let me know if you like the way that this looks. This guy is crazy because he just backed into the snow. He did not give a fuck. Where's Redneck? Expensive.
No idea.
Them niggas is lost in the sea of lips, man. This is a message to you, Elliot. I like how you tell me to meet me here and then you're not here. What the hell are you doing, bae? I just saw Katie. She fucking just passed over there. And then I just saw Devin, and I also saw Sky, and but I don't know if they're coming in here.
There's a backup spot.
Where?
I'm getting texted the location.
Okay, cool. What up, guys?
How's it going?
Yeah, I was like, who is that?
This is the Prius, top of the line, fuel injected twin turbine, gets a nice drift,
Into the air, of course. It flies like an eagle.
That is gold.
Oh yeah, fully customized. I got, you know, my Dungeons and Dragons figurines. I've got spaceships, my dog. Yeah, fully customized. It's right there, you figure. Baby. I don't even know.
We're three strokes, then it was a 9.5 for a mile. Bare motor. Shit is no joke, boy. Shit is fire. Jealous, boy?
Yeah, I'm getting fucking
The outside Burn City,
Oh, yeah.
I'm revving my shit.
Yo, where's the next spot at?
This girl.
I called her because Chris wasn't answering her special. Follow the crew.
Oh, you got a ticket? You got a ticket?
Huh?
You got a ticket?
I got the fucking brake line turn signal, but he said just get it fixed and then they'll...
That's all he said?
Yeah.
You guys know where the next meet is? Oh my god, no.
I don't even know. I think they had to keep shutting everything down. They're following everybody. There's no point anymore.
You guys drink?
He does. I do.
I
He
used to have
used
a
to.
240.
Oh, man.
You look familiar. You're from YouTube? That explains it. It's the first time I ever got recognized. That makes me happy.
Yo, what's good, bye? Yeah, Levittown shut down. Yo, honestly, we're probably just gonna meet back at the house. What are you guys doing? You guys wanna come to Hofstra or what?
I don't have that much time, but...
Oh god. Alright, so my dumbass decided to go ahead and rip a drift near Cop Central, and they gave me a gift. So I'd like to thank Nassau County Police Department for this scroll of tickets. This shit is taller than me. Oh my god. Yeah, I haven't had this shit for more than 2 hours. It's already ripped up like hell. I got, what the fuck is it? Oh yeah, he said, oh yeah, the defendant accelerated abruptly, causing the wheels of the vehicle to lose traction. The defendant failed to activate the left turn signal 100 feet prior to the turn. So basically, I got a ticket for drifting, for not using my turn signal, and then the other two were for the plates. At the front, there was no front license plate on the car that I was driving, and there was a screw missing on the back plate. By the way, this wasn't my car that I was driving, it was someone else's. Someone else's, I'm not gonna say who. For a reason, but someone's car I was drifting. But it wasn't
the
mine.
emphasis like that, you can make it look like it's my car.
No, it wasn't Devin's car. It wasn't anybody's car that any of you guys know. But I was given permission to drive the car. So we'll just get that out of the way. But yeah, in Florida we don't have front license plates, so that wasn't really the issue. But yeah, this kind of fucked up the night for me. But it was still an awesome night. Like, it was pretty crazy. In brighter news, the car did get like a lot of cool attention. I think this is probably the only video or the first video that you guys really get to see the wing on the car. So I did notice, like, when we were driving, there was people like kind of holding back, like trying to get pictures of the car and the bear on the back, or the dog on the back. So it was pretty cool. Yeah, Ivan the husky. So he's usually on the back of the car, except if it's gonna be like raining or something. I just take him off and I put him on my keys. So, but yeah, other than that, it was a pretty good night. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and leave your comments below. Let me know how many tickets you've gotten before in one time. Actually, I got 6 tickets tonight.
I've gotten 4.
I've got 6 tonight. You got 4. So if you
No,
guys
not
have,
tonight.
huh?
I didn't get 4 tonight. Just I've gotten 4 in one stop.
No, but if you guys have gotten multiple tickets in one night, leave a comment below and let me know. And go ahead and subscribe for more Reckless Lifestyle. You already know where it is, so.
So